Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the GoPro Suction Cup Mount. It attached your GoPro to cars, boats, motorcycles and more. Industrial strength suction cup proven at speeds of 100 plus miles per hour. This is really fast. Engineered to provide a broad range of motion and stability. Quick release base makes moving between shots and location quick and convenient. Recommended for non-impact activities only. Okay, let's have a look what's inside. Because this is an awesome box in silver and blue. And what's inside? Oh, the box will contain the suction cup itself, adjustable arms, standard base, quick release base, a drawstring bag. Yeah, there it is. And it works really good. I proved it. It attached all kind of GoPros. For example, I will use a GoPro Hero 6 Black for this. To cars, boats, motorcycles and so many other different flat materials. And it's an industrial strength. That is right. You place it on top of the surface, then you drive a little bit, and after this, it's so hard to erase, really, to remove this suction cup again. But how it works, if you push on the press button on top and then rotate at the same time the lock, and in this moment, there will be a vacuum inside. No air is there. Ha! And this will make so strong connectivity with the surface. And GoPro says it's up to more than 150 miles per hour. I driven it by 120, I think. But that was not miles per hour, that was kilometer per hour. Ooh. So this, and at my test, it was staying there for all the time, like 40 minutes, 50 minutes, no problem, really. And there are so many additional parts to make a better location around your suction cup. It has some adjusting arms on it. It has a standard base, a quick release base, and it's easy to change the standard to adjustable arm, easy going by using a long and good screw. Then you can attach your GoPro on top and make so different shots by using this. You can do this on a plane, for example. You can make it on a train, of course. Everything is possible. But take care. Only use the frame and the Hero Black or Hero Silver or Hero Session, as you like, on it. But you need a frame for this docking device. But you have this if you bought a GoPro Hero, of course. And it's so a good shape, so good feeling to use this high quality product, because it's okay. It's okay to make wonderful shots. Maybe if you're going surfing, place it on your surfboard. Yeah, because of course the Hero cameras are, the Hero 6 Black is waterproof, so can make so different and unique shots with this small suction cup, and you will not lose your camera. Take care. But take care too. The surface has to be fat-free and dry, of course. Then you can push it on top, press and lock. And then it stays there. It stays there. And you can see this little set of suction cup will brings you so many different options to make a different angle with the camera. The suction cup is every time the same. It's the base, and then you can use so many different adjustable arms, standard bases, quick release bases, and so many of different little devices to change your angle, change your position of the camera if you are going in action with that. Yeah, nice and easy to adjust, easy to use, and it's a high quality product. You can feel it. If you feel the product, it has a good shape, it has a good feeling, and it's high quality made. So that's a lot. Let's have a look forward to more awesome Hero 6 Black Edition camera videos with this suction cup, of course. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon.